Ever felt like your crypto investments were on a roller coaster without a seatbelt? Imagine watching your favorite altcoin plummet in value, only to have the thrill of uncertainty kick in as you wonder, how low can it really go? Today, we're diving into the wild world of Cardano as it faces a shock that sent over $263 million vanishing into thin digital air. Buckle up, because this isn't just another market update, it's a front row seat to a crypto drama that could have you laughing, gasping, and questioning everything you thought you knew about decentralized finance. Hello, crypto crusaders and digital daredevils. Welcome to Zaki Crypto Update, your go-to channel where we blend razor-sharp crypto analysis with a side of humor. I'm Zaki, your resident navigator through the choppy seas of blockchain madness and market mayhem. Today, we're tackling the head-spinning Cardano price crash that's turning heads and emptying wallets faster than you can say blockchain. If you crave a deep dive into market trends, cheeky opinions, and a good laugh along the way, then hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss a minute of this adventure. Stay tuned until the very end because we're not just crunching numbers today. I'll be sharing my offbeat take on whether this $263 million DeFi shock is a harbinger of doom or merely a hiccup on Cardano's journey to recovery. Plus, I'll reveal the key levels you must watch if you're riding the ADA wave. Is Cardano headed for a nosedive to 31 cents? Or will it bounce back with the ferocity of a catapulted meme coin? Let's jump in and find out. Cardano, or ADA to its loyal followers, recently found itself in a bit of hot water, crashing in tandem with other altcoins as the market reacted to a staggering $263 million drop in DeFi total value locked, TVL. The network's DeFi TVL plunged from a year-to-date high of $593 million down to a mere $330 million, a jaw-dropping slide that mirrors the market's current sentiment. And if you're thinking, that's rough, you're not alone. Investors and crypto enthusiasts alike are scratching their heads, wondering just how low ADA can drop before it shows signs of life. The sudden crash wasn't a one-off occurrence. Cardano joined the ranks of other blockchains that have recently seen their TVL crumble. Platforms like Ethereum have suffered a 21% drop in TVL over the past 30 days, while others like Tron, BNB Chain, Base, and Arbitrum have seen declines of over 15%. These numbers might sound like a bad punchline, but they're very much a reality in today's market. The decline in Cardano's DeFi activity is even more dramatic when you consider that the number of ADA tokens locked in the network has fallen from a high of 618 million tokens to a low of 413 million tokens. Even the stablecoin reserves on the network aren't immune, dipping from 25 million tokens to 23 million tokens. In crypto, these aren't just statistics, they're red flags waving wildly in a storm. Now, let's talk about liquidations. The sharp plunge in ADA's price hasn't only shaken investor confidence, it's also led to a surge in liquidations. In the last 24 hours alone, liquidations have hit almost $32 million, levels we haven't seen since December of last year. For many, this is a stark reminder that in the volatile world of crypto, fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. But what's driving this dramatic downturn? While the market's inherent volatility is always a factor, external forces have added fuel to the fire. One of the main culprits has been the rising fear of inflation in the United States. With Donald Trump's recent tariffs on key trade partners like Mexico, Canada, and China, concerns over higher inflation and soaring interest rates have reverberated through global markets. It's a classic case of external economic pressures colliding with the already unpredictable world of crypto, resulting in a perfect storm for a dramatic price drop. Now, let me sprinkle in a dash of my personal crypto opinion. This isn't just another market correction. The Cardano crash is a symptom of a larger trend where even the most promising blockchain projects aren't immune to macroeconomic shocks and the whims of global politics. Sure, Cardano has built a reputation as a technically robust and innovative platform. Yet, when external economic pressures mount, even the best-laid plans can unravel. This downturn is a wake-up call, a reminder that in the crypto sphere, resilience is key. And sometimes, a little chaos can lead to unexpected opportunities for those with nerves of steel and a keen eye for market rebounds. At this juncture, if you're enjoying this deep dive and want more insightful, humorous takes on the crypto markets, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. Trust me, joining our community means you're always in the loop, whether it's for market analysis or for a good laugh at crypto's absurdities. Let's break down the technicals for a moment. Cardano's daily chart tells a story of a coin in distress. It has tumbled from last year's high of $1.3282 to a recent low of $0.5570, a staggering drop that shattered key support levels. One of these is the $0.8285 mark, the double-top neckline, which is a well-known bearish indicator. For those who love technical analysis, this double-top pattern is like a cautionary tale written in candlesticks. Cardano also dipped below $0.8097, which was its highest swing earlier in March 2024. And if that wasn't enough, the 50-day and 100-day weighted moving averages, WMA, have crossed, a classic sign that more downside might be on the horizon. Looking ahead, the charts suggest that if Cardano fails to recover and breaks below $0.5570, we could see the price sliding further down to around $0.3100. That would represent a drop of about 55% from current levels, a terrifying prospect for ADA holders. On the flip side, if Cardano manages to push above the critical $0.8285 resistance, it could signal the beginning of a turnaround. It's a high-stakes game of technical chess, where every move counts and one misstep could lead to further losses. Crypto disclaimer before we continue our journey, a quick but crucial reminder. The information presented in today's update is strictly for entertainment and informational purposes. I am not a financial advisor, and nothing in this video should be construed as investment advice. Always perform your own due diligence and invest only what you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and any investments you make are at your own risk. Now, let's get back to our analysis. The broader market context cannot be ignored here. With major players like Ethereum and other prominent blockchains also experiencing significant declines, Cardano's troubles seem to be part of a larger narrative, a story of market correction, investor panic, and a recalibration of risk. Yet, there's a silver lining for the bold. Market crashes, as painful as they can be, often pave the way for innovation and rebirth. For Cardano, this could mean a phase of introspection, technical upgrades, and a renewed focus on its long-term roadmap. I'm personally fascinated by Cardano's resilience in the face of adversity. Even as it faces one of its toughest challenges yet, the community remains upbeat, and the developers are working tirelessly behind the scenes. This determination reminds me of the scrappy underdogs in sports who, despite a rocky start, find a way to rally and stage a comeback. It might sound like a long shot, but in the unpredictable realm of crypto, never count out the possibility of a dramatic turnaround. As we wrap up today's deep dive into the Cardano price crash and the $263 million DeFi shock, I want to extend a heartfelt thank you for joining me on this roller coaster ride through the highs and lows of the crypto universe. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a curious newcomer, I hope you found our journey through technical charts, market trends, and humorous insights both enlightening and entertaining. If today's update got your gears turning or sparked any questions about where Cardano might head next, drop a comment below. I love hearing your thoughts and engaging in the spirited discussions that make this community so dynamic. And don't forget, if you're not already part of our crypto family, hit that like button and subscribe. There's always more fascinating content waiting for you here on Zaki Crypto Update. Before you head off, take a moment to check out our other videos where we dive into everything from blockchain innovations to the quirks of decentralized finance, all served with a unique blend of humor and hard-hitting analysis. Remember, every dip in the market is a chance to learn, laugh, and maybe even find a hidden gem. Stay curious, stay cautious, and always keep an eye on the bigger picture. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Until our next adventure into the heart of crypto chaos, keep your wits about you, your humor intact, and your portfolio diversified. This is Zaki, signing off from another episode of Crypto Intrigue, where every downturn is just another setup for a potential comeback. Happy investing, and I'll catch you in the next update.